Hello everyone. Welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you love modern farmhouse style with a touch of vintage charm, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to breathe new life into old furniture and create a fresh, cozy spring refresh for your home. From upcycling vintage pieces to adding rustic details, I'll be sharing creative ideas to transform your space beautifully and affordably. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. Give your old dresser a new life with a soft whitewash finish. This technique allows the natural wood grain to peek through, adding a rustic yet airy touch to your farmhouse decor. Pair it with fresh spring florals and vintage knobs for a timeless look. Transform an antique door into a stunning headboard for a cozy farmhouse bedroom. Sand it down, give it a fresh coat of pastel or neutral paint, and let its aged charm bring warmth and character to your space. Revive a tired wooden table with a coat of chippy paint. Whether you choose soft whites, muted blues, or pastel greens, this weathered effect will instantly create a farmhouse feel perfect for spring gatherings. Old window frames make beautiful farmhouse-style wall decor. Add a touch of greenery, a floral wreath, or even a mirror behind the panes to enhance the vintage charm of your home. A repurposed wooden wagon transforms into a unique farmhouse lamp, blending rustic charm with modern functionality. Its weathered wood and warm glow create a cozy, vintage-inspired statement piece. Upcycle an old bench with a fresh stain or whitewash finish. Place it in your entryway at the foot of your bed, or in your dining space to add warmth and functionality with rustic charm. Breathe new life into an old hutch by repainting it in a soft, farmhouse-inspired hue. Display vintage dishware, glass jars filled with dried flowers, or spring-inspired ceramics to create a stunning focal point. An old wooden ladder can become a beautiful and practical farmhouse-style blanket rack. Lean it against the wall and drape soft throws over the rungs for a cozy, lived-in look. A reclaimed barn door adds rustic charm to a modern farmhouse, blending history with functionality. Its weathered wood and vintage hardware create warmth, character, and a timeless, cozy aesthetic. A vintage wooden trunk adds rustic charm to a modern farmhouse, serving as stylish storage or a character-filled coffee table, blending history with warmth for a cozy, lived-in feel. Give an old mirror a farmhouse refresh by distressing the frame with chalk paint. Hang it above a console table or fireplace mantle to reflect natural light and create an open, airy feel. Revamp old wooden chairs with a fresh coat of paint and floral cushions. This quick and budget-friendly update brings a touch of spring into your farmhouse dining area or breakfast nook. Stack vintage suitcases to create a charming bedside or side table. Not only does this add character, but it also offers hidden storage for blankets, books, or seasonal decor. An old ornate headboard adds vintage charm to a modern farmhouse. Repurposed as a statement piece with distressed paint or natural wood, blending rustic elegance with timeless character. A repurposed old wooden ladder adds rustic charm to a modern farmhouse kitchen, transformed into a unique hanging lamp, blending vintage warmth with functional elegance under soft ambient lighting. An antique sideboard adds timeless charm to a modern farmhouse kitchen, blending vintage character with practicality. Its weathered wood and classic details create a warm, inviting space with rustic elegance. Turn an old cabinet into a practical and stylish farmhouse kitchen island. Add a butcher block top, fresh paint, and decorative hooks for a functional centerpiece in your cooking space. Give an old bookshelf a new life with a fresh coat of soft pastel or classic white paint. Style it with vintage books, ceramic vases, and farmhouse baskets for a well-curated spring look. Repurpose antique wooden drawers into charming wall-mounted planters. Fill them with fresh herbs, succulents, or trailing greenery to bring the beauty of spring indoors. Stack vintage wooden crates to create unique and functional storage. Use them as shelves, coffee table bases, or even a charming open pantry in your farmhouse kitchen. I hope you found today's ideas inspiring. Repurposing vintage furniture is such a wonderful way to add character and warmth to your home while embracing sustainability. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, or if you have any vintage pieces you'd love to transform. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.